Hi everyone, today we have to find the value of alpha in this equation. In this equation we can see both sin alpha and cos alpha. First we must simplify this equation into only sin alpha or cos alpha. How we can get an approach to this question? Here I can see cos 2 alpha. I can get an approach to this simplification by cos 2 alpha theorem. We know that cos 2 alpha equals to 1 minus 2 sin squared alpha. I am going to use it here. Y equals sin squared alpha plus, we can simplify this as 1 plus 4 sin to the power 4 alpha minus 4 times sin squared alpha minus 2 equals to 4 sin to the power 4 alpha minus 3 sin squared alpha plus 1 minus 2. It equals to 4 times sin to the power 4 alpha minus sin squared alpha minus 1 here. Now we can consider that y equals to 0. Now here 0 equals to 4 times sin sin to the power 4 alpha minus 3 sin squared alpha minus 1. Now I am going to let sin squared alpha equals to x to convert this into a quadratic equation. Now we can substitute the above equation by the terms of x. As a substitution here, 4x squared minus 3x minus 1. Now we can solve this equation as quadratic equations by finding the factors. Here we get x and 1 here as minus and plus. I think it is easy to find the factors here. Then 4x plus 1 should be equal to 0 or x minus 1 factor should be equal to 0. X equals to minus 1 by 4 or s equals to 1 plus 1 here. I think you can remember that we get x as x equals to sin squared alpha. Sin squared alpha can't be a minus value. Then we select x equals to plus 1 as sin squared alpha. Now we can simplify sin squared alpha equals to 1. Then sin alpha equals to, we can get both plus or minus 1. Sin alpha equals plus or minus 1. We should consider both answers. Sin alpha equals to plus 1 and sin alpha equals to minus 1. In trigonometry, here we can write alpha as alpha equals to n phi plus minus to the power n phi by 2 and n in z. And in the other side we can get alpha equals to n phi plus minus 1 to the power n 3 phi by 2. There are also n in the element of z. Okay guys, here are the answers we got. We can substitute the n by all the elements in z. Okay, then I think that all you could get something by this video. Thanks for watching and do not forget to subscribe our channel.